Sure, it's possible to use free and paid public charging stations when you're out and about or on a road trip, but the experience of owning an electric vehicle improves dramatically when you can recharge on your own schedule. A personal EV charger also lets you take advantage of the best electric rates, especially if your utility charges lower rates in off-peak hours, or if your house is powered by solar. There are numerous options for cheap EV chargers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable EV chargers from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ChargePoint Home Flex EV Charger. ChargePoint is one of the largest providers of public charging, with thousands of units nationwide. Its Home Flex unit tested here integrates into the same app used to connect to the company's public units. You can add your vehicle in the app, which tailors the percentage of the battery replenished and number of EPA miles added to your specific vehicle. We found the app to be very user-friendly, with the best displays for charge rate graphs. And it also shows the total charge time and total energy output during each charge. Furthermore, it offers the ability to schedule charging times to take advantage of variable cost electricity during off-peak hours. Number 2. Emporia EV Charger. Emporia offers a vast library of electricity monitoring devices, from typical smart outlets to a system that tracks every circuit in your fuse panel. This entire electricity tracking universe is integrated into Emporia's app, including the ability to link your EV to the app through the SmartCar API. But if you're just using the EV charging equipment, navigating around all of these unused areas makes the app seem overly complex. Otherwise, this is an impressive Wi-Fi connected entry at a price hundreds of dollars less than the Juicebox or ChargePoint. The 11.5 kilowatt output capability is at the high end of this roundup, and short of a couple of features, such as using a specific vehicle to estimate the miles or battery percentage gained, the Emporia has just about everything, including detailed electricity pricing, using your actual utility plan like the ChargePoint. Number 3. Lectron NEMA 32 amp EV Charger. This Lectron is one of the cheapest options, so it's not surprising that there's no wall mount, but a simple hose reel or hook mounted to the wall could take care of that. Even though the Lectron isn't a smart unit with Wi-Fi capability, it has a small LCD screen that displays voltage, amperage, charge time, energy, and temperature. This unit came with no instructions, but with only 2 buttons, it wasn't too hard to figure out that holding down the plus was how to set the limit on current, which can be adjusted among 10, 13, 16, or 32 amps of output to match your wall circuit. When you plug in, charge time starts over, but the kilowatt-hour readout doesn't. So if you want to monitor individual charges to track your car's efficiency, you have to unplug and replug before every charge. If you want to track your charging fastidiously, one of the Wi-Fi connected units is probably a better choice, and the Emporia doesn't even cost much more. Number 4. Grizzl-E Smart EV Charger. The promise of the Grizzl-E Smart is that it can theoretically pair with any EV charging app that uses the OCPP 1.6. And it's one of the cheapest smart units. Unfortunately, it took months to get ours to connect. Initially, Grizzl-E said its unit could work with either AmpUp or ChargeLab apps, but now it's only the latter. It appears that Grizzl-E has streamlined the connection process considerably since we first tried using this unit, and we were eventually able to get a firmware update and connect it to the ChargeLab app. Grizzl-E touts the ruggedness of its beefy aluminum enclosure, with videos on its website showing a small off-road vehicle running over it. It also had the thickest cables, which were consequently the most resistant to hanging up after charging. A wall mount for the cable is included. Number 5. Electrify America EV Charger. As with our top pick ChargePoint unit, this Electrify America home charging station integrates with the same app used for the company's public fast chargers. Setup is easy. The app offers the ability to scan the unit's barcode to add it to your account and connect it to Wi-Fi, but the short cable that plugs into the house's outlet limits mounting options, and we're not sure why this unit is so large, but it's far bulkier than the others and still doesn't include any cord management, which is handled by a separate holster that is included and mounts to the wall. Despite that the Italian design house Italdison is credited on the enclosure for the design, we don't think it's nearly as sleek as the Tesla wall connector. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.